Hello viewers, welcome back again to another new exciting tutorials. I recently completed a logo design for my client. This is really amazing logo with a combination of three letters C, H and M with a perfect shape. So this gonna be really amazing tutorial. So while we're waiting, let's get started to create an amazing lettermark logo design. Alright guys, so how was the tutorial? Please let me know on the comment box. And also if you need any kind of design service, something like logo design, brand identity design, leather and packaging design, t-shirt design, any kind of design service, just let me know. I'll be more happy to help you as a designer to complete on your project.